good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Ekene Umenwa. Today is Ash Wednesday, Holy Day of Obligation. I hope you went for Mass today. Ash Wednesday, the day you put ashes on your forehead. Father, te hunke mo ofuma. Even all the ko hichawana. And I'm like ike egbuo mie, bupute, half your ofuma. So, if you have not gone to Mass today, try to go in the evening. I believe every parish, every Catholic parish, get one Mass in the evening. Because today is Wednesday, people went to work. You know, mikwete ta holy day. The first day of Lent. And you know what Lent means. The reading of today, on a hugini. Ekwene ka ekpe gị mara ihe aka nni gị nyere. You don't have to proclaim to the whole world what you have done for God. So, what is your plans for Lent? What are you giving up? It's a period you give up. What are you giving up? I want each and every one of you to give up gossip. Betrayal in a relationship. Now, my message of today is about the lady, the woman living in America here that betrayed a trust in her hand. That's how you see, I understand she's not a Catholic, so her and her group may attack this video or come after me. I don't care. But I have to address this video, this message. I don't judge things like any other person out there. I pray, and whatever God asks me to say, I say. When I say it, I damn the consequences. Oh, we go do more. And we're bending our sea when he had Makandi Ocha. You got the funny name. My first question to this lady that Ekene Umenwa lived in her house in America. Why did Ekene leave your house for your friend's house? You have not told us. I've listened to how many videos you made. You have not told us why Ekene have to leave you. Ni homani ni merie nyegi file araga okwo you onwete visa bia na begi ikpori eju ụlọ just of a sudden she refused to return to your house. Why? We are not dons. I were brain. We have brain. If some of you don't have brain, Mother Mario with a brain, I want you to follow me on this road now. Follow me as the woman. What did she do to... Remember, as at the time Ekene went to her house, Ekene was already a big celebrity. She was already an international lady. It's not like she was a beggar or somebody. You know, many people want to associate with celebrities. There are many people in America that will be happy to host Ekene, to keep her, because she's a big celebrity. She can make you grow. She can make your name be heard. So the woman is happy to receive Ekene in her house. She's... Everybody, yes, we boast up in America, but it's also a privilege. America is a big, that is, Ekene is a big name. I've never met her before. I've never spoken to her. But I'm telling you, Ekene Umenwa, biareba, no na begi, wemwa, she is a big name. It's a privilege to host a celebrity. Quote me. Now, do you know where touched me that made me to do this video? Is when I saw this morning that Ekene was recorded and given to her friend and her fellow celebrity, Destiny Etiko. First of all, in America, you don't record anybody without telling the person. It's an offense. She can be sued for that and claim damages. Ask anybody. You can do it over there in Nigeria and get away with it. Here in America, if you record anybody without telling the person, so first of all, it is an offense against the American Constitution. So, in order to prove her, to destroy her, because she's Jesus' baby, nke ikwuru ekwu ikoro Destiny and he revealed she was not enough. Odigika agba arala. Odigika is nothing. You now sent voice message. Meanwhile, this voice message of your conversation with her was what happened when you were in good terms. When things were going well, you recorded her. That means you're up to something. If you have a friend that records you when you are discussing, that friend is evil. Remember, some people came to my DM yesterday and they were like, why didn't you condemn Ekene? Ekene is this, Ekene. I am not yet talking about Ekene until I hear from Ekene. I'm not going to judge Ekene. I'm even praying that she doesn't talk, because the way I'm feeling, if Ekene talk, it will be fire and thunder. Because I am judging from what I heard this woman saying on social media and what she has done. You were talking with your friend. I mean, somebody you call your close friend and you start recording her without her knowing. And some people were telling me, go to Destiny's page and see what she wrote, and you will know that Ekene is this, Ekene is that. I don't care yet what Ekene bu. Mowe gossiper. It's not that one I'm talking about right now. What I'm talking about is that you have a friend. You confided. You know, friends. I've been a victim of her, so I cannot support her. Mana, when she was telling you about Destiny and Co, did you tell her, Ekene, stop, this is evil, this is not good? Did you tell her? But you enjoyed the discussion, waiting for the appointed day for you to use it to hit her. I heard you saying that Ekene is a disgrace to Catholic Church. Ekene is a disgrace to Mother Mary. How? Is it bad for her to identify herself with her belief of Christianity? How is she a disgrace to Catholic Church? Many of some celebrities, they are Catholics. Na social media. Ufọdụ na-arụgharị Arafa, Ikeha, Afoha, and the rest of them. I've not seen anybody, any of you, coming to the social media to say that they are a disgrace to Catholic Church or to Mother Mary. Does it mean that you people support evil, and anybody who is trying to defend her faith becomes a disgrace to Catholic Church or Mother Mary? How? How is, I'm asking you, madam, how is Ekene a disgrace? That's why some of us don't talk. When we talk, you judge us. You tell, even as you call us fake because we are telling you the truth. You judge us for what we are. Because you sister, you are not supposed to put your mouth in this kind of thing. As a sister, that's what ought authorizes me to put mouth and call a spade a spade. When you have a friend and you are tired of the relationship or something happened, you go your way. Forgive, let go and move on. If you don't want to forgive, that's your business. But you waited until for more than 1 year. It's more than 1 year. Ekene Umenwa Bay. You waited, waiting for the appointed time. When the Oga actor, who also spent 1 year, you people planned, for me it's a planned deal. Why not? If I we hide our food in America, the moment I get member that accused, if you see hey sisi ebeni ne onya asi palamaka onya asi otiri mi he, oh hunu bidoro. Are you a saint? Now, madam, let me tell you. Charity should not be slavery. Charity can never be slavery. And you are not the only person. What I go mad oboda can so nke na asusu anyi. Iburu onye izuzu, imabu onye ikpasu. De go mad akwukwo bia ebe amuo nwa. On the road, no we Ekene afuchatago. No no na nkiye bu diri mmadu na record mmadu. Ojiwa ya nyere onwe, kwanyere onwe ugwu, nyere onwe ya ehore. Chetakwa isi na best friend gi ko kwabara na nkiye. That means there is something more than what we are seeing and what we are hearing. I don't know about you hanga buenu. Manana masunu. And this MS no more video, Madam Naba. Magima Oga actor. Trying to start telling people what Ekene said. Cho. You are on Imahechi. Namosi madu. Eseboku. Si sefokwa makambo mpezi. Eseboku. Si sefokwa makambo mpezi. What do you want to benefit? What do you want to gain by going to Destiny and coming to the social media to say all the people are Ekene is saying this against? What do you want to gain? Unfortunately, your plan no go work, because many of us out there still love her, no matter her weakness. Go to the Bible and read about what David did. At a time, David was even Obrumado. But still, the Bible said, the God after God's own heart. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be changed. Madam, let me tell you. Can we run? Can we run make an example? And some of you out there, that when you do charity, you want the person to repay you instead of waiting for God to repay you. It depends on your reason of doing charity. Are you doing it really from your heart for God? Or are you doing it because you want to associate yourself with celebrities, or you want to tell the whole world, or you want to shine? I don't know what is your intention. But no matter what is your intention, charity is being repaid by God, not by human being. Let me tell you, your invitation, conference, chana dibe hibeba, ana meji ota ụfọdụ ụmụnne ndị chọrọ ịbịa holiday, ndị chọrọ ịbịa eme ihe dị iche iche ebe a. Oge ahụ eji m ọtụtụ mmadụ ndị chọrọ ịbịa holiday. America dị mma ịbịa holiday. Ebe a dị mma, obodo anyị, obodo ebe a dị mma. So it's a privilege ịrụtụ ọrụ na Nigeria bịakwa, enjoy ihe ọma. Mụ abịa America na-esi ebe a ji Europe je enjoy kwa ihe ọma, because I have family there too. So that time, nwere ụkọchukwu ihe m ji eji ụkọchukwu amara gị atụ ka ị mara na mmadụ dị n'ụdị. Stop generalizing, because some people see is closing door to people. It's a lie. Somebody's bad behavior cannot make you to stop helping people if you are really a helper and if you really have a golden heart. I cannot generalize because people are different. And I want to tell you, that conference, $150 to attend the conference. Ofu ụkọchukwu sị mụ na mụ kwuchitere ya ụgwọ ahụ na ọ bịaruo ka onye m. Wee nyere ya aka kwuchitere ya ụgwọ ahụ, o nweta visa. O nwetara visa ahụ, rule iwu na inweta visa na ị ga-abịa da conference, ị ga-abịara ịbịachazi were visa gị merewu ihe sọrọ gị. Mara kwa na den America dị enye 1 month visa ha na at least 2 years. If anyone na-agwa gị mere asat like 10 years ago. Now, mgbe ụkọchukwu nwetara ya bụ visa, 1, ọ bịara conference ahụ. 2, onyere m ego m ruo tata na-agwa gị. Mgbe si ya nyenu m ego m, at a time na ọbabalụ m mba. Wee sị m na ya deal with me. And that dealing with me, he really dealt with me. Shokangwa gifomelo. He went and lied against me to a bishop. And I suffered it. And I'm telling you till today, I be on social media. Oge ọ na-ana m invitation na ọ chọkwa na ịbịa America. O nwee ndị ọkọtọsịrị. Ndị ụkọchukwu ndị ya na ya nọ na ofu diocese bi America. Ama m ihe ọ gwara m maka ha. Maka na ha ekweghị enye invitation. O wee bụrụ m bụ sister. Mmadụ ejekwu ha jekọwara ha ihe o kwuru because na o megidere m. Ọ bụrụ ya ka m mere ife m mere. Ọ Chukwu. And since ahụ Chineke na-egozi m. Mana gekwa ntị madam. Ka o merie ọ kwụsịghị m ime ihe ọma. O nwere ụkọchukwu ọzọ m mere exactly ihe m merie. Ruo tata ana m eri uru ya. Every December ụkọchukwu na-eburu rice bugara ndị sister m. O nwere ụfọdụ ihe m ga-achọ kịta. Mkpọ ya nsị ya biko fada nekwa si m oke no problem. O meelụ m ya. Mmadụ abụọ dị iche iche. Onye nke a emejọ m, onye nke emejọrọ m. Ọ bụ na ịkpọtalụ igi nwa gụpụtara ndị ịkpọtagoro mere gị dị good. Were na ya na akara aka nke Ekene n'otu ndụ nke ya dị. You forget her, offer it to God. Than vow na ị ga-emebi nri ya, ị ga-destroy ya. Kedu ife ị chọrọ igen? Ọ na ọbụrụ mmadụ kpọtaga obodo oyibo. Many women di ha kpọtara obodo oyibo ka ha si wee handle di ha. Oh no, madam, ọ bụrụ mmadụ kpọtaga obodo oyibo. O nwere ike bụrụ di gị, nwere ike bụrụ onye ọzọ. How nice are you to whoever that brought you to America? Mesia ka njụọ ka mmadụ onye kpọta gị. Mama gị na ọ dịsikwa na mma. Ọzọ, as I said, imakwa maka ihe ọjọọ mmadụ mere gị si na ọka i destroy onye ahụ. Ọ dịrọ mma. Enwe m orphan m zụcha ya primary school, secondary school, higher institution, university. Immediately ọ graduate ya wụọ ya. Ma jụọ ya ogene. Maka na onwe onye ọ chọrọ ịnụ ndụọ ya ọdụ ya wụọ ya. It did not stop me from helping orphans. It did not stop me from helping ụmụaka na-eto eto need help. Ime ụmụaka onye m nwere na university kita nna azụ. And by the grace of God, very soon, my orphanage will be ready. I'm building up an orphanage. Yet, an orphan mewara mobi. It did not stop me from helping. I did not come to talk about it destroy it destroy ya. She can still come back tomorrow. I'll still accept her. She's my daughter. Yes. Tomorrow, onye one anu mebu ye. Nga si akwa ngwala gị agwa, but agaghị m achụfu ya. So, what am I trying to say is that ịma ekwo maka ihe mmadụ mere gị wutere gị ife awọ n'ige eme nke abụọ n'ige eme ọzọ. Ọ dịrọ mma. You no right at all. Ibido na reveal secret niile gịnị akpara. Mgbe ọ na-agwa gị ya, o nwere ike ikwu. N'edo ndụ taa, Imam Charity imere eme. Ndụ ịdị taa, Imam reason why you are alive. Let me tell you. O nwere ndị otu anyị ndị sister si na ha chọrọ ichi sister m mkpọtara obodo a. Amara na ha just chọọ iji ụzọ ahụ wee bịa obodo a. Ha abatagba ọsọ mmegbu ha egbu mejegwa immigration ha bụ n'aha. Mmara emie enwe ndị power imie mana emerọ m ya. O nwere ike Chukwu just were ụzọ ahụ wee gozie fa. Ndị nke mkpọtalụ tata ha wụ citizens. O nwerubeghị nke nọkọtara ife fada akpọkwụzi m na phone ka ọ fụ inye m nke ma inye m ọzọ. Ihe ama ha ejigo na aka m wee rikwasara wee gafere. O nwere nke bụ nwanne m, o nwere nke bụ relation m. Ememie for the sake of God. And I'm receiving the blessings even though it's not coming from them. Adim ka onye Chukwu na-agọziro. Owi nwa onani gị kpọtara mmadụ ya mụọ nwa na America. Akpọtago m nwa ahụ sister ne mmadụ ọmụgwọ na be mụ na convent. Ọmụ ji aka m sign onye kpọta onye ahụ. Nwa ya ọ bụrụ citizen. Ọ bụrụ ofu ọ bụrụ abụọ. Ebigo m obodo a 19 years. Even one of those mmeli ya mụ na ya dị ekwuzi dị. Anya dị ekwuzi. My sister Bieba, Muomebe Huria, Ganu Juru, Kiru nwanne Muomebe Huria Madu, Yauru, 5 people, even Ipa the baby shower. Obu no ye when we tested the baby shower post or run on a mere stage. Oh, since I went as visa in Yensubu. Yotago. So here they are buri hono. If people had a day, or there is the run America. I'm a busy person. I'm busy 24 hours. But we still find a way to do charity to people. You see a lot of people has or did he make a somebody sign on a girl you went oh no can sign now for you visa. It's because of her level getting visa. Yes, mmadụ dere mana ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla na-eje na embassy enye visa. Okay? O wee talụ gị ahụ wee file ara gị ọ dịrị isi ịkpọta mmadụ America wee bata iwe mee nka wee mee nka. Ọ bụrụ naanị gị. You are not the only one. Onye ọbụla bịara ebe a nwa nwere ka onye kpọtakwara m America. Sister kpọtakwalụ m America. Chukwu ga-agọziri mie adị m elozi ya. Enwere m ike ilozi ya. Na ndụ m. O nwekwa ndị si n'aka ya wee bịacha otu esi wee kpọta mission na America. Ha da-atụpụrụ ya ọnụ tata. Mana Chukwu yuzuru ya wee mere ọtụtụ ndị sister ihe ọma oge ahụ. O nwee ndị adeji anya afụ ya ruo taa. So my point is that you are not the first person. Kedu ife anyị eji gbafuru gị? Kedu ihe internet ga-eji break ya because na sign uri akwụkwọ a non-celebrity that is making grow name. Obata ihe o mere gị, o mewa gị obi. Kedu ife o mewara gị obi? Na ọ rapụ be gị jezie na nke gekwa ntị ka ngwa gị onye isi wu best friend gị kwuo maka Ekene rapụ gị onwe mgbe ọ wee enyi gị. Meanwhile onye nke a mmepekwa ọnụ na o nwere ike ikwu ihe ndị email, o nwere ike ikwu ihe ọfụlụ n'aka Ekene o ji wee kpọlụ ya. Just like I had one woman saying on social media, see, n'ime na nwanne gị wụ onye kwuru ihe ị na-eme Ekene eji wee kpọpụ ya na bekee. Yes, Ugo boss, Omekago, you can go and rest. I will not rest because until man ngana arụ ọrụ nke Chineke, ngana agwa ya people like you. But how don't you know? Ne sunyo ọkụ. Ekrete alunu info that is unu kwuru gaba. Asimu Ugo boss, unu niile na sunyo ọkụ. Kwuru gaba. Ekene ekwukwala onwe, Ekene na-eme nka. Unu kwukwara onwe unu. Unu kwugbu onwe na ashịrị. Ugboro na ka ịpụta na social media Ugo boss. Cause no boss. Ejukwara m glasses m. Ugboro na ka ịpụta go na social media si onye a na-eme ihe dị ota na ọ dịghọ mma ma unu fụ ha ebe ọkụ na-enwu asị munye ka fire ba. I'm still begging Ekene. I wouldn't want her to come and talk. I would not want her to come and talk. Because as it is, this woman, Ekene put on a social media. Oh yeah, when it reason no you will see na begi wepo. And the ogwa senye, we hear weke brunkegi. Oh yeah, kokrai. Ihuno na ako before obido come here because I for knew somebody like in this celebrity. Ama me wa. I don't know whether you're a celebrity or you want to become one because already you will go from here na put on social media and you chamaragogi. Why will you people be insulting the church just because Ekene may we identify with her belief? You feel she's pretending. How is she pretending? She preaches the word of God. Onu mana Ekene de mefi mana apito siaka ana agboto. Which is a credit to her. Many of you out there may destroy our youths. You people may not like that. Some of our celebrities now agboto umu you tell ne feel no to kwesirede. When you refer Falanya, Afunkanya, some of the things you name is not a good, example to our youth, our growing youth. You people supposed to be a model to the youth. You are supposed, our celebrities, our actors, our youth watch you every day. You are supposed to be an exemplary to them. And the person that actually una buy a Jesus baby, and can they be proud to answer that Jesus baby? You are not a saint. She can make mistake. If her sin is on chom, we pray. Our deliverance. But if we are appear deliverance, okosia. Obu Ekene ade benechuku ode look modest. You people may not pick her up this way. Stop dragging her. She's a human being. She has her faults, just like each and every one of you. I got angry yesterday when I saw Oga movie actor saying that if Ekene push him again, because Ekene called his pastor, if Ekene do those things again, he will push her out of marriage. I heard it and I became mad. I'm like, how dare you say that? Are you the creator of marriage? Are you the one that gave her husband? Actor. Ekene offended you, yes. But you kuruku fere. You kuru ngonye wene gama. Owe ihe ga-emenu ya lara gị. Owe ikpe ihe mmadụ ga-eme gị ya lara gị. But when you overreact, ikpe ama gị. We are not perfect human beings. We offend one another. When I'm in the midst of my friends, I can feel relaxed to say one or two things that ordinarily I may not want to say. Sometimes I na wako si asere. Yes, mandia chichi. I na onweke wonye nke neme I too know. I akochapu ya na asere. Nke mmakwa na ejikwa mako. Mmesi video ugbu I ga fukwa otu onye cha ye test them say why are you putting mouth into the why did you do this? Opo onye ozo ha si kopu ya. It's okay. But no, don't blackmail me. It's evil. If you blackmail me, Chineke abogoko. You can't. We hand up blackmailing. Don't blackmail nobody. But piacha okwu. Aya na ekwu n'okwu nnu. Ọkwachukwu nyere anyị ọnụ. That was an extreme, telling a woman, I'll push you out of the marriage. Can he ga koro di Ekene ogechi e push nwunye kpatakpata isi na ị na-edine ya. Ma ọ na-achụgharị nwoke ma oje acting. Ọwụ ihe ọhụrụ. Ọwụ ihe ọhụrụ. Ngwa di Ekene o setie. I saw somebody writing, Ekene don't want to talk. That shows this or that. What do you want the poor man to do? To start exchanging words with people you know that are already destined to destroy the wife. What do you want him to do? Some of you want Ekene's husband to come. Let it be a weakness. Ekene don't talk. I remember in those days when they were bullying Brother Bukobi. I told him, do not respond to them. Do not talk. And he did not respond. The time he responded, I see no kuoncha. Since then, does he respond? He doesn't respond. So Ekene, learn from that. Don't respond. Now, what could name Merigi? Virgin Mary, Nena yota wanyi hena kabia sorom yoba, konurari renyo. Virgin Mary, Nena yota wanyi hena kabia sorom yoba, konure beranyo. Okuwe na idia so konyere gaka. Let her intercede for you. Ekene, if you're a gossiper, call our lady again. She will help you. Ibenata to onoge. Obukwa ni na abasra, adi ma support kwa gi. If you got that people you call your friends, some people you call your friend are not your friend. They're not your close friend. Somebody said, what is it? Somewhere gossiping like what she did to Ekene is she ask Ekene, cook for your dad, cook for this. What is there in cooking? Does she cook in her father's house, in her mother's house? It depends. It depends. Let me tell you, there was a couple many invite Habia. Dinner we had on a convent for 3 months with me. Emero has slave. Adime kweku ha bakichi nsi on the sister. Unu sie ni serve ha. Today this couple will almost come no come na Nigeria. They don't forget me. If there is anything and men at school, they will bring canopy, chairs, decorate free of charge. Yes, free of charge. Whatever thing I am doing, even when I lost my father, they came, had a senior occasion. They cooked free of charge. They decorated the church. They decorated my father's house. That's what the gift of charity. And that is why when I do charity and the person doesn't thank me or recognize me, that's okay. Everything, I don't have things of my own. That is why when I call any friend, say, please help me. There is somebody in the hospital. I want to help. They help. Please, I have an orphan. I want to pay her school fees. They do for me. I am talking to all you with golden hearts. People feel bitter when they are not appreciated because they have ulterior motive in doing charity. When you have ulterior motive in doing charity, that turn you can say, yes, just like the man actor said, you are terrible, you are not a good friend, people should run away from you. And you, why would people not run away from you? When people will confide in you when there is peace, and you carry them out to tell, just to destroy her relationship with Destiny Tiku. Just to destroy her relationship with people who are in the same movie industry with her. Unfortunately, I wish their ears are like my own. I will ask you, why are you saying this to me now? What is your intention? Why are you saying it to me now? I will not act. Somebody will come to me and ask me for apology. I go and put it on the social media. She has apologized to me. Why? Why do I have to tell the world she has apologized? If somebody apologized to you, that means the person will remorse over what she did. Why will it be a content? Everything now becomes a content. That's why some people will come and call me also content creator. I don't do content. I come here and tell you people the truth. I have created, for a long time, I hardly come on live like this because I'm a busy person. As you see me now, I travel to Michigan for my friend's burial. That's why people name me. Just my friend, within the week, she died. I came for her burial. She was buried. We had her viewing, her funeral mass, her wake keep. And after that, I stayed back. I have few other things I want to do in Michigan. This is Michigan, a state I lived for 16 good years. I still have few things to do for God here before I go back to my base. If I don't have good friends here, I will not stay back. I'll just move. But I have friends that they love me. They love me. They will not betray me. I don't allow everybody to come close to my heart. And before I end this video, I still want to tell Oga Actor, please calm down. Labuo. There was a time you were in good terms, in closeness with Ekene. I don't know who is pushing you to fight Ekene. I don't know why you suddenly got angry again against her. I don't know why you are doing this. But I'm telling you, sometimes we may want to pursue somebody, and it will be back to sender. I always want this. It should be done you watch, it should be an warmer. It should be there. Unu get making the hair na chuari ekene. Una should be an warmer. Ekene, you don't have to travel to Baltimore or what again. I can connect you where you can go and the rest and have your vacation. Yes, if you have your visa and you still need to travel. You I wake connect again. Una man na celebrity di ha. I ga kwanyekwara ni ugwu. Or this iru level ahụ. Give honor to whom honor is due. If such a celebrity be an abegi, kwesị inwe respect for her too. ekwusigokwa onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. If somebody approach you for something and you can't do it, say you can't do it. Don't have ulterior motive, in doing something for somebody. Give without expecting. Mary and car. How many people have you heard? How many? Now, Ifenina. She's not a good friend. She's not a good friend. I repeat myself, you also not a good friend. I know you and your people, you come to this comment section to insult me on your pages. Sister Nekuhena Abasaria. Obasa makana mbonye echichi. Ndị Igbo welu no wayo. Obro sonso no maka esi break internet. Obro sonso no maka esi akọ asele. Obro sonso no maka esi ekwu okwu. You have complained that time, partially. According to you, somebody said she complained that time, but people didn't hear her. So this becomes opportunity for her to speak out. Speak out for what? What do you want to gain? What do you want to benefit? You ended up even creating enemies for yourself. Morgan actor, Maggie, you people have only created more enemies for yourself. Because anybody that likes Ekene, we don't like what you people are doing. I'm not supporting Ekene. I'm not here to support Ekene at all. But I am here to tell you people that you are not also a good friend. If Ekene is not a good friend, you people are worst. Because I cannot have you as my friend, and I confide something in you, and because we have misunderstanding, you carry everything in Gwarage, throw it out there. You are the worst friend. Yes, I'm a founder of women congregation, so I know what I'm talking about. Women gossip. When you come to tell me what this person said or what this person said, I will ask you, what were you people discussing before the issue came up? For the fact that I condemn somebody's attitude doesn't make that person my enemy. If Ekene condemns this person, doesn't make her hate them, doesn't make her not be friendly with them. Unu na-agbakosi mgbe a na-agbakosi ihe a na-achị ọ bụrụ na phone a na-akọ gịnị a na-akọ na phone na-achị ị na-record ya ị na-record nwaanyị ibe gị nwaanyị nọ na di. Wait, do you people realize that Ekene is a married woman? She's not a divorcee. She's not a single lady. She is married. Do you people really have respect for the husband, or you just still plan to throw her away from her marriage? I don't come out anyhow. Whenever I come out, I am coming out with message from above. So I am telling you people, be a good friend. In time of need, in time of peace, in time of problem, be a good friend. When you are a friend of somebody and you're tired of the relationship, you can break up, go your way, and be silent. If you still love somebody and somebody doesn't want you, let the person go. The person is not your God. I know you would have wanted Ekene to continue staying with you so that you take all the glory, but she doesn't want, and she has her reason why she had to leave you. So why not offer it to God and go your way? somebody and it's not connecting, you're not connecting, go your way. Find who is connecting with you. It's not everybody I love, I want the person to be my close friend. I love a lot of people. I see them, I admire different things they do, but they can't be my close friend. It doesn't work. They cannot. And I'm a human being. I have my close friends who I feel relaxed with, who I can gist with, who I can tell how I feel. I have people that love me seriously. They want me to be their close friend, but I don't want. It's not by force. So if Ekene Umenwa doesn't want you people again to be her close friend, maybe because her husband is not okay with it, or because she's not mad. Let me tell you, do you know that when we are growing, how we used to lose our friends? When we were in secondary school, once the person married, we lose the person. Okabandri. There are some of my schoolmates I started reconnecting with now because they're married and they cut off. Ekene Umenwa is a married woman. Respect. If you can't respect her, respect the husband. You people should stop addressing her as disgracing Mother Mary and the Catholic Church. Ekene is not a reverend sister. Ekene is not a reverend father. Ekene is not Jesus' assistant. She is just like any other Christian mother you see, trying to live up to expectation. Ekene is just a newly married woman trying to grow her family, trying to combine her celebrity-ness, her acting, and also with her family, with a small kid growing. Oga actor is just a newly married, still growing, going to have children that will grow. Why not you people focus more on your families? Is it all about? I don't know. I don't intend making this video long. I'm still going to address certain things more. But be a good friend. And don't forget, somebody like me, you make one attack in Megwaragi. Yes. Because I ain't on. Don't tell me, hey, yes, sister, you cannot respond. It's a lie. If you talk to me and I don't like it, I will respond to you. Yes. You people should stop intimidating in the chichi. Intimidating us in the name that you can do anything to us and we keep you quiet. No, no longer in this generation. No. If you record somebody and that person decides to sue you, the person will win the case. So if you ever recorded Ekene, go and apologize. Go and apologize, or else people can go for you for your email. And then my phone when he came. So, Kachineke Mezioku. I love you all, my followers. I want you to share this message. I want you to tag Madam Charity. Let her listen to me so that she can go and calm down. Let her look for better friends. Maybe she might get better friends. Or what she expects from her friends. Friends that will be loyal. You want Ekene to be loyal. International celebrity to live in your house and be and be loyal, right? And be doing what you want her to do. I don't know whether it's the problem, but I hear people saying that we are asking her cook for this, cook for this. She wouldn't do that. It's a big lady. In Nigeria, you're free to have housemaid. Do you know whether she cooks in her house? Maybe she has housemaids everywhere. I grew up to see househelp in my father's house. There was never a time there were less than 3. So I know how it is in Nigeria. Not unlike America, where we have to do things by ourselves. You know? So, may God bless you all. May God bless you all. Respect one another in a relationship. And I want to encourage you, our many celebrities out there, do not forget your faith. I once saw a celebrity almost naked dancing with her father, and her father is okay with it. I saw it as a shame. Celebrities, please influence our youth positively and not negatively. And that is part of the evangelization Ekene is doing. And you people are not happy with it. You want to blackmail her, disgrace her. It's not gonna work. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. We love her. I love her for her faith in God. I love her for the way she dresses. Decent, modest. I love her for what she proclaims. Whatever that happens by the side, inside, I don't know. Many of us are sinners. Many people out there do a lot of things inside there. We are not following anybody to her house, to her bedroom. The one we are seeing in the internet, we are talking about. We are not God. We don't see what they do. What you, even you condemning Ekene, we don't know what you do in the secret, and we don't care. So say, oh, they put church by the side. We have not seen it, and even if she does, if that's the only sin, because that's the only thing I hear you people are saying here, I've not heard none on idea chodi. And as I said, she disappointed in the movie Oga actor Choko Obiame because the title of that movie does not suit a married woman. The title of that movie, maybe she didn't have the strength. I'm repeating myself again. Or the strength, the boldness to tell her friend, no, I cannot add this movie. Maybe the husband didn't want it, and now it hurt him. Yet they reconciled. She called him from America, they reconciled. She came home, yet you did not give her your wedding planning, your wedding planner. She didn't mind. She was still helping you in your marriage, in your wedding. Why would you give her your wedding? It's even enough for her not to come to that wedding. Many of us, if your friend is doing wedding and did not give you a job, and it is something you do, you get angry. It's enough for Ekene to get angry that she was not the wedding planner of that wedding. Okay? We do decoration. Any kind of decoration. I have friends that will tell me lies why they didn't call me for the decoration. They will tell me, oh, before I know it, my daughter have already chosen. It's a lie. She didn't want to give it to me. Before I know it, the couple's already chosen. Now lie. You didn't want to give it to me. Because you have the influence to say it is Mother Mario and her sister that will do it. You are the one that called music man. You are the one that called MC. You are the one that called different things. But in decoration, you claim you give me all sorts of stories. If I refuse to come to your wedding, you're not gonna blame me because it seems you don't love me. You claim to be my good friend, but you don't want to give me a job to do for you. You go and collect those you feel you want. So if Ekene is a wedding planner known all over the country and you don't want to take her, she has right to get angry. Yes, she came for your wedding and you are here talking what I don't understand. Biko, Kemesian, I love you all. May God continue to bless us and give us good friends that will not betray us. Good friends that will not come to the social media to disgrace us. Good friends that will not search for our destiny to destroy. Good friends that will protect us at our lowest time. Good friends that will protect us even when we offend them, even when we make them angry. Good friends that will still stand by us. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.